last video on accumulating trash that people, the way people treat you and the trash that you accumulate over the years. Somebody, in fact, a viewer asked me about how to get rid of that trash, and that was a very interesting question. It made me think, yes, we do over the years accumulate trash. We never think of, no matter how much we try, we are not able to get rid of that. So I thought about it and I figured out something. You know what, most of the times we live, in a world of illusion. We create illusions around us that if I do this, it's going to work out. Probably we are going to change things, but believe me, that is just the illusions controlling you. So do not let that happen with you. But yes, given to your behavior, you probably might not be able to change yourself completely. Still, since we need therapy, we have to find solutions because we also need to breathe. So I have got 4 things. First, if you see that the other person who has been throwing trash at you will never change, वो हमेशा उसका काम ही है ऐसा, and he does it without realizing what he's doing, then what should be done with the trash? It should be burnt. If that trash is acting as the bridge between you and that individual, burn the trash. No other way out. Burn it. With that, you will be able to burn the bridge that connects the two of you, the link that connects the two of you. Second, if you find that the person that threw trash at you once, but he realized his mistake, then you can recycle the trash and start afresh. Of course, afresh तो कोई start नहीं होता है. फिर भी, you can try. You can give him a chance and see whether it works out this time. The third is a little dangerous. These people, again, they're incorrigible. इनको आप कितना भी बात कर लो, इनसे इसको समझा लो, कुछ भी क्लैरिटी दे दो, कुछ भी कह दो, they will not understand. And on top of all that, they'll complain that you stink. You have started stinking. So ऐसे लोगों के लिए ना, you become a skunk. Stink so much that they're not able to breathe in your presence. Become a skunk. That is the therapy. And if still you want to persist, मेरे जैसा, जिसको लगता है कि नहीं, ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे ही सब करना ही करना है. That is the flaw that I suffer from. My tragic flaw, you can call that. मेरे जैसे अगर हो, तो I have just one thing to tell you. Accept the truth and let it be your balm. If you're not able to change yourself, आपकी आदत पड़ चुकी है. I mean, perhaps that is how you have wired yourself, that आप जो कर रहे हो वो आप करते रहोगे. किसी को ज़रूरत होगी आपकी, चाहे वो आपका दुश्मन ही ना हो, क्यों ना हो, चाहे वो उसने आपके लिए कितना भी बुरा क्यों नहीं किया, लेकिन अगर उसको ज़रूरत पड़ी तो आप जाओगे. And again, you can almost anticipate what the next step of that person is going to be. Still, you want to do your task. आपके लिए मैं कहना चाहूँगी, just accept the truth and let it be your balm. But at the same time, एक चीज़ और याद रखिए, इन सब चीज़ों को करके आप खुद को तराश नहीं रहे हैं. और अगर तराश भी रहे हैं तो किस लिए? कुछ लिखा था मैंने, खुद को इतना भी ना तराशो कि कामिल हो जाओ. खुद को इतना भी ना तराशो कि कामिल हो जाओ. लोग बांट देंगे गर खुदा हो गए.